Picture this. A national sales manager goes into a non-performing sales territory, covers the market with the sales representative. At the end of the day, he complains to HR that the sales rep is not fully trained and therefore blames HR for non-performance. Now HR on their part have ticked the training checkbox. But the sad part, capability gaps still remain. This is the reality in many organizations. Accountability is unclear, and the real issue? Building sales capability is left unresolved. And the result? Sales productivity continues to suffer. So the big question is, who is responsible for building sales capability? In many organizations, HR is expected to handle training. But the truth is, capability building is not just an HR job. Sales leadership must take ownership, drive the agenda, measure outcomes. With the right approach, what typically takes 12 to 18 months for a salesperson to get to 100% productivity can be compressed into just 3 months. Now that's a game changer. But the capability building is not just about running a 3-day training workshop. It needs to be far more comprehensive. A capable sales rep must be able to do certain things like communicate the value proposition to the customer and handle his objections. Demonstrate product benefits without ambiguity. Should have imbibed performance metrics. Should have mastered sales processes like channel management, sales cycle, negotiation. And most importantly, should know how to use digital tools effectively so that he is able to cut down his non-selling time. These are the real levers of productivity. So the way forward is to treat sales capability as a strategic differentiator. A sales capability center can be your competitive advantage. But it doesn't stop at training. It requires ongoing coaching, regular performance reviews, and reinforcement. The objective is simple. Ensure every sales rep understands how to deliver value, stays sharp in execution, and accelerates revenue outcomes. When sales leadership owns this, capability becomes the fuel for growth.